Hello friends, this is MD Khayyum, a civil engineer. A hearty welcome to all the viewers of JILT Academy. Today I am back with a new video of dimensions 22 feet by 6 inches by 40 feet with the facing of west face. This area is about 900 square feet, that is 100 square yards. Here we have designed 2 BHK floor plan and it is having a good ventilation, and we have designed this plan as per Vastu. But before going to discuss, I request all the viewers, those who are new to our channel, kindly like, share and subscribe JILT Academy. And also one more point to be noted, we planned and designed all types of architectural drawings. If you are willing, you can design. If you are willing, we can design as per your requirements with minimum charges. We will give our best service. So friends, now let's move on to discuss about floor plan. So as I said, it is a west facing plan of 100 square yards. So nowadays the 100 square yards is a minimum requirement for a house, and depending upon the expenditure, many clients are demanding the 100 square yard plans. So that's why today I am going to discuss about west facing plan with 2 BHK. So friends, so this is the entrance of the plan and we have provided a gate of 6 feet. So now I have entered into the plan. You can see a lavish parking area of dimension 11 feet 10 inches by 13 feet 9 inches. So actually we need to park the vehicle, it's mandatory. So depending upon the requirement, the parking area is provided here. On the right hand side, you can view the staircase which is provided to move towards the upstairs. Now I am entering to the house. We have provided 2 steps here and a platform of 4 feet. This is our main door. So when you enter to the main door, you can view there is a hall of a dimension 9 feet by 12 feet 7.5 inches. In hall we have plotted sofa set along with teepot and a LCD. From hall you can able to enter towards the bedroom. So this is a one bedroom we have provided with a dimension of 9 feet by 11 feet 4.5 inches. So this bedroom can be used as a child bedroom. Now I am returning back to the hall. From hall I am entering to the lobby of 3 feet 9 inches. On the right hand side you can view there is a common toilet of a standard dimension 5 feet by 4 feet. So here we have plotted one western. So from this lobby I can enter towards the kitchen room. So as per Vastu, we have designed this total plan, and your kitchen is having a dimension of 8 feet 9 inches by 8 feet. So in kitchen room you can view there is a platform with a wash basin and a stove, and the necessity items can be utilized. And this kitchen room is attached with a utility of dimension 3 feet. So this is a 3 feet width and 8 feet. So utility area can be used for multi-purpose like domestic uses. Now I am returning back to the hall. From hall now I am entering to the master bedroom of our plan. So master bedroom is having a dimension of 8 feet 9 inches by 11 feet. So in master bedroom we have planned in such a manner, it is attached with a toilet of dimension 5 feet by 4 feet. So this is a very comfortable plan for 100 square yards, that is 900 square feet. So friends, if you like the video, I request all kindly like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.